My name is Sam Hill, Business Support Officer here at the Red Cat Partnership, a health and safety consultancy. Myself and my directors also run a flexible office space here in the heart of Norwich. Number 8 Thorpe Road consists of 10 office spaces, hot desking, as well as a number of meeting rooms. We have a great communal kitchen and breakout space which is used by our tenants, and something we've had for a while is an instant boiling water tap, so hot drinks can be made quickly and easily. One thing that did bother us about our existing tap is that it produced quite a lot of steam and had the tendency to spit and splutter, which of course is concerning in terms of user safety. But when our current tap was coming to its end of life, we decided to shop around rather than get a direct replacement, as we knew we could find something even better. We were aware of Instanta as a solid catering brand and discovered their latest product was also ideal for small offices, which is why we opted for the InstaTap. Overall, we are really pleased with our InstaTap and had very positive feedback from our tenants and guests.